Let's start some watermelon seeds. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we're going to try to start some watermelon seeds. I was out in my garage and I found these. Who knows when I bought them. I don't know if it's last year or a few years ago. Well, it says sell by 2021. So we're going to try it. The only thing it can do is not grow, so right? So I've got some, I've had this for a while too, some of this Jiffy natural organic seed starting mix. It's a really loose dirt with stuff in it that's very beneficial for seedling. Well, actually seeds, because they're not seedlings yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is really, really dry. So I think before I even plant my seeds, I'm gonna wet this down some. Just got a squirt bottle. All right, it says to sow an inch deep. I'm gonna put 2 seeds in each pod. Okay, I'm going to about right there. Okay, I'm going to cover it over with just a little bit of dirt. I don't want to cover it up a whole lot because I probably stuck them down close to an inch, so I don't want to cover it over too much. And then I'm going to wet it down. And I'm going to sit this, and I'll show you in a second. I'm going to sit this in my house on my kitchen table next to a window. That way it will get some sun. After it grows its second set of leaves, then we'll plant them outside. But you do want to check on your soil daily and make sure you don't want it sopping wet, but you want it moist to keep moist. And I'm sorry if some of you hate that word. All right, so let's do another one here. And you want to break up any big clumps. I really don't know how well that's helping because this dirt is very, very dry. I think with these I'm not going to go as deep. About halfway. And because where I am covering over with the other dirt, I don't want to overdo it. So who knows, I may have overdone that first one. But we'll see as they grow. Sprinkle a little more of this soil over top. It's best to use a water bottle when you're planting seeds, because if you pour like a cup of water in there or spray it with a water hose or what have you, sometimes the force of that water can make your seed go further down in the dirt. Or you can water them from the bottom up. Just have them in some kind of container that can hold water, and that way it will absorb. But starting out, it's best to go ahead and use your spray bottle. And I am just reusing, these were the little containers that held my tomatoes and my cucumbers and peppers, all of that I just planted. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll go ahead and put it in the iCard here and link it in the description box below. But where I planted all of those vegetables there yesterday, 2 days ago, something like that. Anyway, I'll link that. But these, I'm just reusing these. Saving money. And I almost bought, where we bought our plants, I almost bought some of the, because these are the sugar babies. So these are the really, really sweet, good, delicious watermelons. But I didn't. I ended up buying because I was afraid they might not grow right. But since I found this, and essentially you can say it's free because I already had the dirt from a couple years ago. I've already had that from a couple years ago. So if they grow, wonderful. If they don't, you know, I didn't really lose anything. So it's like, why not? Let's go ahead and just give it a try. Okay, I've only got 2 left, so some of these I'm going to put a third one in, and we'll just see how it grows. Alright, so there's my watermelons. Now, apparently at some point I've opened those and tried to grow some. I don't, like I said, who knows how long ago it's been. I just found it. It may work, it may not. We'll see. Okay, I'm in zone 3, so it says April to June that you can plant these in the soil. So we're, as long as the seeds are okay, then we should be fine. That says 12, I can't tell, 1221 something. And we go, let's see, where does it tell us the depth? Oh, 1/2 inch. So these are going to be even. Benjamin. Okay, since we're going 1/2 inch, I'm not even going to push those down. I'm just going to cover them back over with some dirt. And Benjamin. And that should be roughly about 1/2 inch by the time that it's all said and done. getting some rain here today. I don't know if you can hear that. You can hear my dogs barking because it freaks them out. Okay, this one looks more dead to me. It looks really strange compared to like one of those. So I'm making sure I definitely have one growing in with that. There's my sunflowers, and I will here in just a second take a Sharpie and write on, probably on the outer edge, what these are. Okay, I changed my mind. Since it's warm enough to where I know we're out of the frost worry, I'm actually going to take these on my porch. That way if the water leaks, it's not leaking on my table. It will be outside and I can have a little bit more control out there with it, I do believe. And so I wrote on that sunflower. And then I've got 2 with the watermelon, and I will take them outside and I will show you. And there it was. So, alright, as you look at the rain, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you would, and share the video, leave me a comment, whatever, just say hello. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.